Meaning of DPI.
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 DPI. DPI stands for dots per inch and is a measurement of the resolution of an imaging device, such as a printer or scanner. It refers to the number of dots that can be printed or scanned in 1 inch of space. The higher the DPI, the more detail and sharpness can be achieved in the resulting image. For example, a printer with a DPI of 1200 will produce sharper and clearer printouts than a printer with a DPI of 600. DPI is an important consideration when printing or scanning documents or images.